Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template to be professional in Vue 3. Yes, Vue 3 latest version and fully responsive. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see beautiful e-commerce template in Vue.js. View 3. See, just brilliant. Beautiful carousel. I can see it's the best. And view 3 also the perfect combination. Scroll to top. The mini chart works well. And also, friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I'm a full-time freelancer. You can hire me on as well. Here's my email, WhatsApp number, and my upload ID as well. Back to e-commerce templates. So guys, like I said, this is just demo for home page. I'm working on other pages, and if you want this template in Vue 3, then feel free to contact me anytime. My friends, after it, I will come with more demos, and on my blog, you'll get multiple free things for Vue.js, Angular, Next.js, Laravel, WordPress as well. So also don't forget to subscribe or like. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.